Hello everyone! Mayam nungainaribro, ay Terensim ne, and welcome back to my channel, The Girl from East. So ngasi ay mayam da video ma share tauge do icham chamba recipe ne French toast karamai na sembagi haibigi matang da ni adu yamna simple oiba adum breakfast da common oiba house ni adum cham na semraga adu aikoi angang leiraga na school chatlaga na adum tiffin da happrasu aduna yam thubane angang masa na su yam pam bane bagi bread ne adu sem si aikoi mayam kari sang buno haibse karamai na matau karamai na sem buno haibdo mi eng tamin na si. So half cup of warm water I will take and add the 3 spoons of sugar and stir it till the sugar is melt. Now sugar is already melt, so let's add the egg. And mix well it. And now let's add the milk. Stir properly. Now become all mixed well. Now I take 6 sliced bread. Once pan is become hot, add a little butter here. Make a slow flame. Spread the butter. And here add a little oil. Now dip your bread into the coating. Keep the flame slow. Yeah, now my bread is golden brown color is coming on the sides, so you have to turn to other side. Yeah, for the other side also it's become ready. Looks yummy. Take the bread and transfer to the other plate. Mayam hoji agi video semba loire bread semba si loire adu aina khalle mayam adum agi video se pamlam gani haina to pambio like and subscribe tawbio aduga mathangi adum video upload taw phangnawa agi channel da laitaba na khoi so adum subscribe tawbio aduga enjoy tawbio adum any breakfast da evening breakfast morning breakfast adum enjoy tawbio. Comment later, any comment later, don't comment over. See you next week. Bye.